Now students, our this is a theorem first for related to the angles equal substance to the chord. So now the first theorem is equal chord of a circle subtended equal angles at the center. It means you have given equal chord of a circle. So subtended equal angles will be equal. So now first you have to draw a circle and with center, this is the center point of O, and draw a chord line segment AB. So this is a AB and the CD are the two chord AB and the CD, and it is join the center point of O. So OA, OB, OC and the OD. So these are also called the radii of the circle. So now first you have to know that write down here given. So the given is a circle with center O. A circle with center O, AB. This is AB and the CD are the two equal chords of the circle, because AB and CD are the two chords are equal. We are already given. Equal chords of the circle which subtend by the angle AOB and the angle COD at the center point O. So the both chord will be make a angle AOB and angle COD with center point O. Now to prove if the chord will be are equal, so then prove that angle AOB is equal to the angle COD. So now first you have to prove, write down in triangle. Here we given the triangle AOB and the triangle COD. So first here we write down OA. OA equal to OC. OA equal to OC, radii of same circle, because radii will be same. Now similarly OB equal to OC. This is the reason will be again same, radii of circle, radii of same circle. So write down here radii of same circle. Now the next is here OA equal to OC and the OB equal to OD, and here the next is AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. These are the given. Both chord will be equal. So these are already given in theorem statement. AB equal to CD. So now you can write therefore the triangle AOB equal and the congruent triangle COD by the which congruent rule? By the SSS congruency rule, because OA equal to OC, this is a side, OB equal to OC is side, and the AB equal to CD is side. So both three R's will be sides. So the use will be congruent rule, SSS by the SS congruency rule. Angle AOB equal and congruent angle COD. So you then you can write as angle AOB is equal and the congruent angle COD by the CPCT, by the using of the CPCT, corresponding part of the congruency triangles. So now you can prove that angle AOB equal and congruent angle COD by the CPCT. So this is our hence proved angle AOB is equal to the angle COD, equal and the congruent. So you can write down only angle AOB is equal to the angle COD.